have some snackable stuff. So I'm good. It's a slow process. I think I learned from the last time I camped, that's at Gooseberry Falls, that give yourself all morning to pack, because if you don't, then you're going into the afternoon and then you're watching the clock thinking, I got to get this done. Somebody might want to pull in early. You know, you got the site until a certain time, but it's always nice to let somebody you know, take over the site early. So I don't think I'm gonna ever go till noon unless I'm at some national forest campground that hardly gets used or something. This is a state forest campground, but national forests, they can sometimes be pretty little, you know, not used a whole lot. Oh, that was the rain. I'm just tickled that it's raining, but there's no mosquitoes. You know, there's some, but it could be like really bad. In fact, down by the lake last night, I went to get my bait bucket. They just swarmed me. That's because it's closer to some water. So I'm gonna have this cup of coffee, stow some GoPro stuff sitting on the floor. I don't like that situation. Store my toaster and coffee pot, and there's a few more things that go in here and they fit really nice and tight, but I'll show you that when I get it. So, well, looks like I'm gonna be clipped with a short video, but that's fine. It's a couple minutes long. I could extend it a little bit. So my battery's okay. Well, the battery's just about dead too. I'll just keep packing here a few little things, and when the battery dies, then I'll be kind of looking for it, and then that'll be the end of the video. Let's see here. Coffee pot. Okay. And I'll just pack this a little bit dirty and clean it up at home. Coffee pot and toaster. Put those in that tote. Well, I drug some dirt in here. Oh, there goes the park guy. Probably wants me to get out of here so he can mow. We mowed the whole park, I think, except for my site. No, I'm just kidding. But he might want to get in here and mow this before somebody else occupies it. So that's a nice little unit. This gets stood up in order to fit in this tote with everything else. I gotta get my water teapot in here. There's one other thing. You know, I've got a picture of this one loaded because it's hard to remember. Let's see if I can find that. Pictures. I don't know how they do this. I gotta slow down because last time I was looking for it, I missed it. I need to relocate it where I can find it easier, I know. And then what I'm gonna do is take a picture of each of my totes, so I get a better idea to have places to put things that I can kind of standardize. I'm getting close. Well, here we go. There's two. Those ones aren't the ones I want to see. Huh. Well, I must have passed it. I know I went past it last time too. Oh, next thing I got to get in there is this, the 2 little trash cans. So that's what makes it a tough job. Okay, I'm gonna go grab that other trash can. Okay. Be right back.